Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope you are doing really well today and you're keeping healthy, as always, with your loved ones too. So today's video, I am using this palette again just to give it another whirl to do a look out of and possibly use it as a face palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So for the first shade, I am taking Sunday, which is this one right here. And I put that as my transitional crease, taking my Equal Tools Define Crease brush. I feel like I want to moisturize it, so I'm going to use a lip balm. So for my brushes, I am going to be using these from BH, and they are the Weekend Vibes number 9 and number 7. Okay, so now I am done with the eye look, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Wild Cherry with Juicy as my blush highlighter today. So it will be almost like a blush lighter, like almost like the ones that Rare Beauty has right now. And those are so beautiful, but I feel like I want to create like my own version, but just using these rather lightly with this brush from Equal Tools. And this one is called Full Blush, and it looks like this. So very lightly, I'm just going to tap into both of them all together, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so now I am going to use this Colourpop Luxe Gloss. Now, it's not part of my summer basket, but I felt like I wanted to use it because I haven't used it for a long time, and this one's called Electic. I think this one I got it from the Colourpop mystery box. Okay, so this will be my finished look. So I have come to love this palette a lot, and I think it goes to show that you could make any palette to have wearable looks, but at the same time it could be fun and it won't look completely weird and too bold, especially like if you're used to neutral colors. Like this doesn't make me feel like I'm sick or something. Like I feel like it's fun, and I love the color combination with the black cherry with juicy. These two together work wonderful to create almost like a duochrome effect, but at the same time it's not completely red, which is great. And also I really loved using these two as blush. It performed beautifully. I feel like I don't need highlighter because this is already glowy enough, and I do see it shiny on the mirror right here. And overall I just really love this palette. I will definitely keep using it. This won't be the only time you'll see me do tutorials with it. I'm pretty sure I'll do a lot more. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching, my friend. May God bless always. I love you, and I am wishing you a good day or night whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. And you take good care, be safe and well, and until then, bye for now.